A recharged aerosol spray can typically retain usable pressure for several months when handled and stored correctly. When you recharge a can, the most important factors for how long it stays pressurized are the integrity of the valve assembly, the compatibility and amount of propellant added, and storage conditions. If the valve stem or seal is damaged during recharging, the can will leak slowly and lose pressure quickly, so always inspect and, when possible, replace worn valve components before refilling. Use the correct type of propellant for the product in the can because different propellants have different vapor pressures and can alter spray performance or cause container stress. Consult manufacturer guidance or product data sheets to match solvents and propellants. Fill to a safe fill ratio that leaves headspace for vapor pressure to develop, typically keeping the liquid fill well below the can's shoulder so pressure can equilibrate. Overfilling reduces effective vapor volume and shortens usable time. Store cans upright at cool, stable temperatures away from direct sunlight and heat sources because elevated temperature increases internal pressure and accelerates solvent evaporation through any microleaks. Check cans periodically by gently shaking and briefly actuating the nozzle into a safe container to confirm spray pattern and pressure. If the spray sputters, changes to a dribble, or produces an altered pattern, then the can should be recharged or replaced. Record the recharge date and maintain simple logs so you know when recharging is needed and can track whether a specific batch of refills shows repeat loss of pressure. The three common problems are valve or seal failure, incompatible propellant or overfilling, and poor storage or handling. If the valve or seal is failing, you will notice slow leaks or loss of pressure, so replace the valve assembly and test the seal before returning the can to service. When propellants do not match the product, you risk reduced performance or container stress. So always use a propellant recommended for the product chemistry and do not overfill beyond a safe headspace. For storage-related losses, keep cans upright, in a cool location, and away from temperature swings. If you find reduced pressure after storage recharge and then retest to confirm stability. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find steady work related to home maintenance and repair. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals share tips and real-world experiences about projects like recharging aerosol cans and managing product shelf life.